Here is Mitch Evans, meanwhile, who's only a fraction away. Bit of a slide, Evans across the line.
Down into turn 7. Whoa, no!
He's not stopping.
It's all gone for Mitch Evans and Jaguar. All 5 lights are on. And we go green in Marrakesh. Vern goes for it out of nowhere, and Vern spins. The reigning champion is facing backwards at turn 1.
Thought today could be the day, but yeah, just it's not rolling. You know, the luck's not rolling with us at the moment, so hopefully that can turn. But you know, the car's quick, and it's going to be super important for the remainder of the championship.
It was a tough one. First lap, first corner just destroyed our race. So we just need to get to work.
We have a really competitive package here, so we just need to take that positive way and give it to them in Santiago.